welcome back to a new video. It's very windy. So as you can hear in this video, it's really windy, so this is a voiceover. I hope you enjoy it. If you want me to come back and do a proper Felixstowe video, let me know in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll be doing a lot more coming in the new year. It's just had a bit of time, so why not come and get it. Anyway, catch you in the next one.